What's up? Today I'm bringing my Melees down to campus at Wichita State, and I'm going to show you guys this brand new Melee Carbon, as well as that Melee Jab SE and the Melee Jab Midnight Blue. So hopefully these Melees look good, and hopefully the Carbon looks the best, because if not, Brunswick's not going to be very happy with this ball video. But don't forget, guys, we have a 70,000 subscriber giveaway. We're giving away a Darren Tang signed gem right here. So once we hit 70K, I'm gonna be giving that ball out to a random subscriber of the channel. Anyways, let's get to the video. My first reaction taking it out of the box, I'll show you guys right here. Not quite as shiny as like this one, which is super glossy. I'll get back to you once I look up the stats of this ball, but so apparently I'm just going a little crazy, and both of these finished are 500,000, 1,500, and then a factory compound that Brunswick has. Maybe it's just the color that's throwing me off, but truly this Melee Jab Carbon just looks a little bit grittier and a little bit earlier on the lane, but that is first look, haven't thrown a shot yet. As you can see, no holes in the ball. So now I'm gonna go drill this thing, throw it down on the lanes, and I'll tell you the differences between all three of these, as well as how much I like this Melee Jab Carbon. Hopefully I do like it, because if I don't, it's gonna be a bad video. Hook. You're telling me that it's gonna end by me 10 pinning on a shot like that? That's pretty. So what I'm gonna do to demonstrate some of the differences of these balls, I'm gonna throw each of them for half of a game. I'm gonna start off with the SE, the oldest one of the bunch, and then I'm gonna go to the blue one, which was released a couple years ago, and I'm gonna end with the ball you guys have all been waiting for, that Melee Jab Carbon. And I'm gonna show you guys the differences between them, how they perform on this longer, more challenging oil pattern, and these how these skid flip balls do for me and my game. Here we go with the Melee Carbon Sport Shot review. All right, here is the Melee Jab SE. A little left of 10. Damn. Oh, that's so far left. We're gonna count that as a spare. Now let's throw a better first shot, please. 7. And that's flush. That's probably where I'm aiming. I always miss left. That shot was laced, and it flat tabbed harder than anything I've ever seen. That's like 9 down lane. Yikes! So the SE, as you can see, 84. Not a great score. That adds up to 168 if I stretch it all the way out and do it again in the back half of the game. You can see the age behind the ball. So moving on to this blue one, a little newer, hopefully looks a little better than that one. Again, all these balls have the exact same core in them. It's just a slightly upgraded cover stock. So each ball, you should see a slightly more skid snap release. So this blue one should be a little more skid and a little more snap. All right, with the blue one, I'm gonna stand 22. So 2 right off of that purple one. Still hitting 10 down lane. Ripped on it. Wraps at it. A little bit slower than the last one. Yeah, that was too slow. As you can see, about 2 shots into this, the ball is much more responsive to the friction. That should be good. Oh. I'm gonna go 3 right and slow it down. A little better there. That's good again. And it's split again. We're getting worse every time. Chance. Eesh. 74 for half a game. So if we multiply that out and we go 146, not good. But this is an honest ball review. And honestly, that ball, this condition, not made to be. So as I move even deeper, because this carbon is going to be sharp off the back end, I'm going to try and put up a little bit of a score here, maybe above 100 hopefully, which would equal above 200. This melee carbon better be good, because if not, I might not be throwing any melees anytime soon. I'm going to go way deep here, see what happens. First shot. Slap. I guess I got to go even deeper. Why can't it just lean on it one time? Like, why can't it just like lean on the 7th pin and just boop, 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 boop? Throw a slightly better shot. Does it make spares too, though? It's gonna be a yes. That was way right and way slow. That's money. Money! It's just amazing how like a little bit extra focus can make the difference of almost missing the head pin right and just going flush. We're gonna need more shots with focus so I can actually demonstrate what this ball can do. Otherwise it's gonna be a Brooklyn fest. Money. More focus, more strikes, more slap outs. Okay. If this ball can make the spare, it's the GOAT ball, because the spare is impossible. I've been explained that this spare is a 7-3. It's the GOAT ball. And another reason why that is the best jab of the bunch so far, can't complain with a 116, especially since it's my high score by 30. Melee jab carbon, obviously I was able to chase it deeper. I was able to get more down lane hook. I was able to get more strikes, and overall just better ball reaction because it was that newer, fresher surface. It had a lot more skid snap than the previous 2 did. So I'm looking forward to bringing this to some house shot competitions because obviously I only throw purple hammers on sport shots for the majority of the time. And this is gonna be one of those house shot specials, those drier conditions, those drier lanes. But this ball is gonna be really good when I gotta go deep and really get the 7 out, because as you can see, this ball's got some down lane hook, and that's exactly what I would need as I cross more and more boards on the lane. So thank you guys for watching. This was my jab, jab, jab review of the 3 melee jabs and which one was best for me, that melee jab carbon. And maybe I said some things that Brunswick didn't want to hear. Like that purple one, I'm not going to throw anymore. Not going to throw that purple jab. It's not very good for me. However, the carbon, it's got some downlane hook, and that's what we need. Maybe Brunswick would like to hear this. Either way, it's on YouTube. Peace.
We kicking it like FIFA, yeah, 'cause the party won't last forever. Yeah, I mean, it's not gonna last forever.